Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of magnesium. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your body, mind, and spirit one with the latest science-backed information, subscribe. Knowledge transcends power when you arm your body with the means to defend itself. Living with pollution, pesticides, and pervasive chemicals, it's unsurprising that we compound our woes with stress. Armed with knowledge, you can improve, even thrive. Allow us to assist you in cultivating a rich, healthy, and abundant life with the most current science-supported information. Your journey to self-improvement starts with this video, so let's begin. Magnesium is an essential mineral that your body cannot produce, so it must be obtained through diet. It is vital for regulating blood sugar, muscle contraction, nerve function, and maintaining blood pressure. To support your health, it's important to get enough magnesium daily from food or supplements. Despite being found in foods like beans, vegetables, and seeds, many diets are low in magnesium, which can harm your health. Taking magnesium supplements can easily boost your intake of this essential mineral and may offer various health benefits, such as lower blood sugar and improved sleep quality. Here's what you need to know about their benefits, possible side effects, and safe usage. Magnesium is essential for carbohydrate metabolism and insulin secretion, making it crucial to maintain optimal magnesium levels for proper blood sugar regulation. Individuals with prediabetes and diabetes are at a higher risk of developing low magnesium levels due to increased urinary magnesium excretion linked to elevated blood sugar. To maintain optimal magnesium levels, those with diabetes may benefit from magnesium supplements. A 2021 review of 25 studies found that magnesium supplements effectively reduced fasting blood sugar levels and enhanced insulin sensitivity in individuals with diabetes and those at high risk for diabetes, compared to placebo treatments. Magnesium is essential for your body's stress response. Low magnesium intake can hinder your ability to manage stress, and studies show that stressed individuals often have lower blood magnesium levels than those who are not stressed. Magnesium supplements may help improve symptoms of anxiety and depression. A 2017 study of 112 people showed that taking 248 milligrams of magnesium chloride daily for 6 weeks led to significant reductions in depression and anxiety symptoms compared to a placebo group. Your bones hold up to 60% of the body's magnesium. A lack of magnesium can reduce the activity of osteoblasts, bone-forming cells, and increase osteoclasts, which break down bone. Magnesium is also essential for the absorption and metabolism of vitamin D, vital for bone health. Individuals with low magnesium levels are more susceptible to bone disorders such as osteopenia and osteoporosis. Fortunately, research indicates that magnesium supplements can effectively enhance bone mineral density and reduce the risk of fractures. Magnesium is essential for nerve function and blood flow in the brain. Those who suffer from frequent headaches, like migraines, often have lower levels of magnesium. Studies show that magnesium supplements can reduce the frequency and severity of migraines and tension-type headaches. A 2022 review found that these supplements may decrease migraine attacks and lower the costs and side effects of traditional treatments. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating healthy blood pressure. It aids in the release of a signaling molecule known as nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels. This relaxation of the blood vessels is essential for maintaining proper blood pressure levels. Consuming optimal amounts of magnesium may reduce the risk of high blood pressure. Studies suggest that magnesium supplements can lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. A 2021 review of 49 studies found that individuals with untreated hypertension may need at least 600 milligrams of magnesium daily to effectively lower blood pressure. Keeping magnesium levels healthy can promote restful sleep. Magnesium binds to specific receptors in the central nervous system and activates GABA, a main neurotransmitter responsible for regulating sleep. Research suggests that magnesium supplements can help people fall asleep faster and sleep longer. A 2022 review found that those with higher magnesium intake were more likely to meet the National Sleep Foundation's recommendation of 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Here are some of the best dietary sources of magnesium and their daily values. Spinach, 156 milligrams per cooked cup. Pumpkin seeds, 156 milligrams per ounce. Swiss chard, 150 milligrams per cooked cup. Dark chocolate, 70 to 85% cacao solids, 129 milligrams per 2-ounce serving. Chia seeds, 111 milligrams per ounce. Black beans, 120 milligrams per cup. Almonds, 80 milligrams per ounce. These foods are excellent sources of magnesium and can help you meet your daily nutritional needs. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found the information enjoyable and helpful. Please remember that the content here is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant health decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thank you for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.